first exercise we'll do together is spinal cord breathing. Spinal cord breathing is a wonderful exercise to open up the joints of the spine and invigorate your lungs. So we take the arms, we lift them up, you draw the elbows back, open your chest, take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, draw the arms forward, curl your tailbone under around your spine and look at your belly. So take a deep breath in, open your chest, and then exhale as you round your spine, look towards your navel. So I'll give you another point of view. So inhale, open your chest. When I open my chest and I pull my elbows back, I feel as though I'm sitting forward on my sits bones. And then as I draw my arms forward, I curl my tailbone under. I'm sitting behind my sits bones. So again, take a deep breath in. And exhale out. You can breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth in this exercise. This exercise invigorates the lungs. So we're bringing energy to the front of the lungs as well as the back of the lungs. And when we invigorate our lungs, we give our immune system a nice gentle boost. Good, let's do this twice more. Last time. Good, and then relax the arms down. I'll face forward again. The next exercise we're going to do is called the wave. So the wave moves the spine in flexion and extension, much like the last exercise. So we start by bringing the chest and the chin forward, and then drop your head, curl your tailbone under, and slowly roll up through your spine. Your head is the last thing to lift. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale, lead with your chest and chin. And then drop your head, curl your tailbone under, and slowly roll up through your spine. I'll give you another point of view. So lead with your chest and your chin. Drop your head, curl your tail under, and slowly roll up. So the back of the body is considered to be the yang surface of your body, and the front of your body is the yin surface of your body. So we have these energy pathways along the body. So yang in the back, yin in the front. And this exercise moves energy through those pathways, those channels. And anytime we mobilize the joints of the spine, we give our central nervous system a nice boost. We energize it. And moving with this quality of water, it provides a soothing effect on the central nervous system, which is very important when you're feeling overwhelmed or overloaded. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Let's do this twice more. Last time. Good. And take your time as you roll up, moving through each joint in your spine. Your head is the last thing to lift. So we've moved the spine in two different ranges of motion, so flexion and extension. Now we're going to do lateral flexion. So let's side bend to your right. And feel that nice stretch along the side of the body. And then sit tall and side bend to your left. And then feel that nice stretch along the rib cage, right? Stretching the muscles between your ribs. And then lift nice and tall. So we're going in lateral flexion. So what I want you to do is start to shift your weight side to side on your sits bones. And as you shift to one side, side bend to the other. And shift and shift and shift and shift and shift and shift. I have a squeaky chair that I'm using today. Yeah, so as you shift side to side, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. This is a great way to, again, open the joints of the spine and to invigorate your central nervous system. Now let's slow the movement down, slow it down, slow it down until you are still. And just take a moment to pause. You can even close your eyes and just feel the energy moving through your body in the stillness. Take this moment to check in. Be curious about what you're feeling, how you're feeling in this moment. Good. So now let's move the spine in another range of motion, and this is rotation. So you'll take your left hand, right? Yes, your left hand, and you'll bring it over to your right knee. And then you'll take your other arm behind you, maybe to the back of your chair. Sit nice and tall, take a deep breath, and then exhale, twist. So I'm turning my head towards my right shoulder and allowing my gaze to follow. My eyes can even reach a little bit further past my shoulder. And just take a couple of deep breaths here. Good. And come back to the center. Take another breath. And this time as you exhale, let's take your opposite hand. So your right hand to your left knee, your left hand, left arm behind you. Look over the shoulder. And breathe. Take a deep breath. And exhale. And again. Take another breath. And as you exhale, come out of the twist. The next exercise is called reach upwards and outwards. So you're going to interlace your fingers, palms facing up. You'll lift the arms up. And then once you get to about the height of your shoulders, the palms are going to press up towards the sky. And then you'll separate the hands, reach the heel of your hands, and then lower your arms down. Let's do that again. Interlace your fingers. Deep breath in. And then exhale out. So as you lift your arms up, you're gathering that earth energy up from the earth, lifting it up through the body. Then receiving the energy from the universe through the palms of your hands and drawing it down. Again, here you are seated in between heaven and earth, in between these two powerful energies. You are a conduit for these powerful, bright energies. One last time. The next thing I would like to share with you is healing sounds. So healing sounds are sounds that we make in Qigong that help to release energy. So we have energy that's stored in the organs, and sometimes that energy is excess heat, it's sick energy, and using a healing sound can help release that energy. We're going to use the healing sound and the movement, the flowing movement for the lungs. So we take the arms and they're rounded in front of us with the palms facing up, relaxed hands. As we lift the arms up, we take a deep breath in. Palms of your hands face the sky, reach through your thumbs. And then exhale the breath out, using the healing sound on the way down with the arms. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath in. And again, this movement helps to, and the sound helps to release any depression, sorrow, grief, but it also helps us to cultivate confidence and inspiration, righteousness, it also helps us to cultivate surrender and letting go and courage. Deep breath in, one last time. Now take the hands and hover them over your chest and the area of your lungs. And you can even close your eyes for a moment. So nice relaxed hands, relaxed shoulders. And just with the palms of your hands, just sense the energy emanating from your hands and from your body. And just envision your lungs. And imagine that they're glowing with a white light. White is the color of the metal element. And as you inhale, imagine this white light growing brighter. And just envision your healthy, vibrant lungs. Take another breath, and then exhale, float your arms down.